Do you have a lighter? Alright, thank you. There's one. Here's a better one.
It's okay if it's for you to do that. If you're a poor person, you can bake.
Pass that beer out there.
As long as a good
I got one. This one, thank you. People are just fucking idiots.
Huh?
People are just fucking idiots.